Imagine standing at a crossroads, where every path holds a promise and a challenge. A journey unfolds, revealing choices that shape your destiny. With each step, trust your intuition. It's your guiding light. A path in the open beckons, inviting you to explore. Choose wisely, for each direction leads to new experiences. Embrace your dreams with unwavering faith and clarity. The universe whispers secrets to those who listen, illuminating the way forward. As you ponder your options, remember that every decision is a chance for growth. The road may twist and turn, but with precision and courage, you'll navigate the unknown. Take a deep breath and step boldly into your future. All will become clear once you've made your choice.